We have an iPhone SE 2020. It has a serious problem. It shows temperature issue on the screen. So we will solve the problem. We will be back after the intro. Disassembly of the phone display panel. Now unmount the front camera module. We are going to replace the front camera flex. Now mounting the new camera flex. After the phone assembly, check the phone. The phone is operating normally. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to share your opinion, comment in the comment section.